what are you looking to do today?
We're going to go out to the northeast with golf.
Check 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2.
Okay, we'll hold right here 110.
Check 1 2. Got it. Check checkity check. Gotcha.
Dakota 110 behind us, inbound 152, runway 1, taxi, and altitude assignments. Advisor will look down initial contact that you have. Information, Golf. Republic Airport information, Golf, time 1053 Zulu. Wind 360 at 4, visibility 10, sky clear below 2000. Temperature 15, dew point 14, altimeter 3027. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 1. That is Airman, Kennedy Airport traffic may transition in northern part of Republic airspace descending from 4,000 to 2,000 feet, landing runways 22 left and right. All VFR aircraft are advised to maintain out of below 1,500 feet within Republic airspace while north of the airport. Use caution for wake turbulence north of Republic. Straight ground, go ahead.
Yeah, we have this station Golf. We're at Alpha Ramp, request taxi today active.
Piper 5, 3 X-ray, what's your direction of flight going to be?
We're going to stay in the pattern at first, and then we're going to be departing to the North Shore practice area. 5 3 X-ray.
Okay, sir, touch and goes are on request. Just let tower know when you want to change it up. Runway 1, taxi via Alpha, Golf. Hold short of runway 1.
Laps up. There we go.
Alpha, Golf, hold short of
Laps
runway
up.
14, 5 3.
Radio's set. Kevin, it's required.
Delta, Golf, hold short of 14 for Piper 5, 3 X-ray.
Delta, Golf, hold short of 14, 5 3 X-ray.
Thank you.
Ground, good morning. It's Sirius 74 Alpha Romeo at Nassau Flyers Golf 1 for taxi active with information Golf Southwest departure.
Sirius 74 Alpha Romeo, so you want to go southwest?
Southwest departure from Nassau Flyers Golf 1 over here. We have information on Golf.
Sirius 4 Alpha Romeo, good morning. Southwest on request, hold short of runway 19er at Quebec.
Hold short of 19 at Quebec for Alpha Romeo.
Public ground, good morning. Duchess 36902 X-ray at the Echo Ramp with information Golf, ready for taxi for a northeast departure.
Duchess 36902 X-ray, public ground, good morning. Northeast on request. Runway 1, taxi via Alpha Bravo.
Okay, runway 1 via Alpha Bravo at 902 X-ray, thank you.
Sirius 4 Alpha Romeo, you can keep it rolling. Next arrival is a 2-mile final. Cross runway 19er, turn left on Bravo, hold short of runway 14.
Okay, roll it cross 19, left Bravo short of 14 for Alpha Romeo. Okay. Park and brake is off. Brakes are good. Check them on the other side here. Good there. Pitch your size looking good. The turn, attitude gyro into the turn, away from the turn, into the turn, away from the turn. Good before takeoff to go. Okay, back again. Sunday morning again in the fall. Doesn't feel like fall around here. It's supposed to be 80 degrees here today.
Continue runway 1 via Golf.
Cross runway 14, continue via Golf to runway 15.
Sirius 4 Alpha Romeo, runway 1 at Bravo 6, taxi via Bravo, cross runway 14.
Okay, via Bravo, cross 14 to runway 1 for Alpha Romeo.
Where are you headed today?
City tour, and then maybe Sky Acres or something like that.
Nice, that should be a good time.
Yep, hopefully.
Dutchess 9 to X-ray. That Cessna's going to be entering the ramp at Papa. Just give way to the Cessna, please.
We'll give way to them at Papa 9 X-ray.
Hey. That's Alex. They're working through the shutdown. Thanks, man. Appreciate you working through the shutdown like this. Hopefully these knuckleheads in DC can get their act together.
Dutchess 9 to X-ray. Follow the Cirrus from your left on Bravo.
Okay, we got them in sight. We'll follow them on Bravo 9 X-ray.
3-2 is clear. 1-4 is clear. Crossing over.
Cessna 28 Yankee, left traffic, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, left traffic, 82 Yankee. Zulu.
Cessna 20 Zulu, make left traffic, please.
Making left traffic, 20 Zulu, we'll be full stop.
Yep, thank you. Cessna 5 Fox Hotel, clear touch and go, left traffic.
Clear touch and go, left traffic, 5 Foxtrot Hotel.
Pakistan Mike Alpha, departure prior arrival.
Roger, Mike Alpha.
That's 04 Whiskey, turn base.
04 Whiskey.
Easy.
That's 04 Whiskey, turn base.
Turn base, 04 Whiskey.
Public Tower, good morning, sir. 7-4 Alpha Romeo, short of runway 1, Bravo 6, ready to go.
10 4 Alpha Romeo, hold short runway 1.
Hold short of 1 for Alpha Romeo.
Pakistan Mike Alpha, clear touch and go, then left traffic.
Clear touch and go, 7 my Alpha.
Left traffic.
Traffic 7 my Alpha.
Figures 12, Cessna right front, base to final.
Traffic inside Acres 12.
Figures 12, follow.
Following the traffic, Acres 12.
That's 6 Juliet Alpha, follow the Piper ahead of you, please.
Follow the traffic, 6 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 88 Lima, follow the Cessna ahead of you, please.
Follow the Cessna, 168. Tower Cessna 82 Yankee, I just wanted to confirm left traffic.
Cessna 28 Yankee, affirmative, left traffic.
Left traffic, thank you, 82 Yankee.
Tower, 347 Hotel, departure present location to the northeast, 065.
That was blocked.
Cirrus.
Yeah, last transmission was blocked. So for 7-4 Alpha Romeo.
Alright, stand by, please.
Stand by, hold short of 1 for Alpha Romeo.
This is for Alpha Romeo. Yes, that was for you. Line up and wait, please. Traffic final.
Line up and wait for Alpha Romeo.
That's the 5 Fox
Booster,
Hotel. You're going to make
mixture,
left traffic, please.
50. Lights are on.
This is for Alpha Romeo. Just fly. Runway heading till advised. Clear for takeoff.
Clear to go, runway heading to the 5 for Alpha Romeo.
That's 04 Whiskey. Clear touch and go. Make left traffic.
Go.
04 Whiskey, clear touch and go, make left traffic.
2,
Icarus 12. Clear touch and go. Left
4.
traffic.
Clear touch and go, left traffic, Acres 12.
The power set.
Hello, that's 36
Is on the
X-ray,
floor.
short of runway 1 at Bravo 6.
Airspeed's alive.
Departure.
That's just
Engine's
369.
looking good.
X-ray tower. Hold
Engine
short
green.
runway 1.
Hold short of 1 X-ray.
60.
Tower, medevac, helicopter 347 Mike Tango, hangar 86 with hotel, departure present location to the northeast.
Medevac 347 Mike Tango Tower. Northeastbound's approved. Report airborne. Lift from the ramp is at your own risk. Novice from the tower. Winds calm. Ultimate tree 031.
Lifting at this time at our own risk, 347 Mike Tango.
Tower. It's going to be a full stop for 6 Juliet Alpha.
6 Juliet Alpha, copy.
Above 90.
Here's 4 Alpha Romeo. Do you have the Cessna left front and the crosswind in sight?
Inside 4 Alpha Romeo.
They're remaining in left traffic. Turn outside of them. Southwestbound approved. Here's 4 Alpha Romeo.
Okay, outside the Cessna, Southwest approved 4 Alpha Romeo.
Oh, I lied. It's a Piper.
Yeah, I see him now. I got the other guy on the downwind too.
Yeah, that's a Cessna in front of them, so they're all in the pattern.
Gotcha.
Cessna 6 Juliet Alpha cleared to land.
Cleared to land, 6 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 20 Zulu, turn base.
Turn to base, 20 Zulu.
Cessna 88 Lima, reduce speed.
Full speed, 88 Lima. Report Tower, Archer 4506, holding for runway 1, Golf 9, ready to go.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Archer 4506 Victor, holding short runway 1 at Golf 9er for northeastbound departure.
54560 Victor Tower, hold short runway 1.
Holding short runway 1, 4506 Victor.
Just 2 Yankee, Cessna left front final.
Traffic inside 2 Yankee.
So 2 Yankee follow.
Following 2 Yankee.
Dutchess 92 X-ray, line up and wait, traffic mile and a quarter, be ready.
Line up, wait, 92 X-ray.
That's 6 Juliet Alpha, turn left on Alpha, ground point 6.
Left on Alpha, ground point 6, 6 Juliet Alpha.
Dutchess 92 X-ray, northeastbound, clear for takeoff.
Cover takeoff, northeastbound, 92 X-ray.
Cessna 88 Lima, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go,
And Cessna 20 Zulu, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 1, Sky, 9520 Zulu.
Cessna 5 Fox Hotel, traffic ahead of you, Cessna on the left base.
Traffic in sight.
Cessna 5 Fox Hotel, follow.
Following that traffic, 345 Foxtrot Hotel.
5% Mike Alpha, your number 4, follow the Cessna ahead of you, please.
Follow the Cessna number 47 Mike Alpha.
Cheers 4 Alpha Romeo, have a good morning.
Thank you. 4 Alpha Romeo.
5% Mike Tango.
Kennedy Tower, good morning. It's Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo. Kennedy Tower, good morning. Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo.
Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo, Kennedy Tower.
Good morning, sir. Cirrus SR20, about 5 southwest of Republic, 1,200. Request out of below 500 westbound along the shore, city tour, handoff Newark.
Endeavor 5284, cross runway 22 right on hotel, taxi via Bravo Golf Alpha, monitor ground.
Hotel, Bravo Golf Alpha, Endeavor 5284.
JetBlue 162, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, right Bravo, monitor ground.
Cross 22 right at Juliet, right Bravo, monitor ground, JetBlue 162.
Speedboat 178 Heavy, contact New York departure.
To departure, Speedboat 178 Heavy, goodbye.
And there is Newark is not accepting any VFR traffic, say intentions.
That was loud.
JetBlue 816, exit here, hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Who was that? JetBlue 816, hold short of runway 22 right, remain dish frequency.
Hold short 22 right, JetBlue 816.
JetBlue 137, wind 040 at 5, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 137.
You want to take Juliet, JetBlue 816?
JetBlue 816, you are on Juliet, correct?
Yeah. You want us to continue straight?
Yes, hold short of runway 22 right.
Hold short 22 right, continue on Juliet, JetBlue 816.
Delta 1368, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, left and wait, Delta 1368.
536 is with you, 22 left.
JetBlue 536, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, JetBlue 536.
Endeavor 5000, Alice, runway 22 left.
Endeavor 5008, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Runway 22 left, clear to land, Endeavor 5008.
JetBlue 137, contact New York departure today.
Departure, JetBlue 137.
Delta 2693, exit here, hold short runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Alright, while you're still on Juliet, hold short 22 right, remain this frequency, Delta 2693.
Delta 1368, wind 050 at 5, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1368.
JetBlue 169, they just called. Your route of flight is stopped. I guess when we'll get something for you, they'll send it via CPDLC. Taxi down 22 right, left on Fox Bravo, left Yankee, left Echo.
Alright, down 22 right, left Fox Bravo, left Yankee, and left Echo, JetBlue 169.
Tower, Brigade 5704, ILS 22 left.
Brigade 5704, Kennedy Tower, wind 050 at 4, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
22 left, clear to land, Brigade 5704.
Endeavor 5351, cross runway 22 right, follow the Delta and taxi Bravo Golf Alpha, monitor ground.
Cross 22 right, follow the Delta, Bravo, Golf, Alpha,
Delta 1368, contact New York departure.
Departure good day, Delta 1368.
JetBlue 1524, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, right Bravo, monitor ground.
Cross 22 right on Juliet, Bravo, and ground, JetBlue 1524.
Land Chile 532, heavy, Juliet, cross runway 22 right, straight Alpha, monitor ground.
Cleared to cross runway 22 right, straight ahead Alpha, and monitor ground, Land Chile 532 heavy.
JetBlue 536, hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Hold short of 22 right, with you, JetBlue 536.
Endeavor 5014, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right,
Hornet Tower, 831 Echo Mike is on the final outside sample.
November 831 Echo Mike, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, runway 22 left, clear to land, wind 050 at 4.
Clear to land, 22 left, 831.
Kennedy Tower from Sierra 74 Alpha Romeo.
Sierra 74 Alpha Romeo, Kennedy Tower.
I'm not sure if you were stepped on, if you gave me a squawk for the clearance to the Bravo. I'm holding overhead the Jones Beach Monument at the moment, 1,200.
Sierra 74 Alpha Romeo, remain outside class Bravo airspace. Newark isn't taking any CBA traffic.
Okay, no problem. Appreciate that, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
14, wind 050 at 4, runway 22 right.
Alright, change your plans.
Right, clear for takeoff, 54.
Locatari 703.
UPS 5125 heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Change your plans.
Wait, runway 22 right, UPS 5125 heavy.
Qatari 703 heavy, Kennedy Tower, wind 050 at 4, runway 22 left, cleared to land. JetBlue 169, I believe they sent your clearance now via CPDLC. Let me know once you're ready and with the new clearance.
We'll call, we did get it. We'll go over it and let you know, JetBlue 169. Thank you.
So the 1966 Kennedy Tower, same for you. Your route of flight is stopped. They're going to send you something via CPDLC as soon as it prints on our end.
Oh well, not to worry. Go back in, do a touch and go, and
520,
depart to
I'll
the
get
north.
side the Piper in the crosswind for traffic, no factor. Have a good day, contact departure.
All right, we got him. No factor, exit 520, see ya.
68 Yankee, line up and wait, traffic mile and a half.
Line up and wait, runway 18 Yankee.
Tower, good morning again. It's Sirius 74 Alpha Romeo.
Zero. Says 04 Whiskey, turn left on runway 32, ground point 6.
Turn left on runway 32, ground point 6, 04 Whiskey.
Sirius 74 Alpha Romeo, tower straight in, runway 1.
Straight in runway 1, if you could get a touch and go and depart to the north.
Yes, that's on request.
Thank you.
That's 2 Yankee, left traffic, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, left traffic, 82 Yankee.
That's the 88 Lima, clear to land.
Clear land, 180 Lima.
Acres 12, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Acres 12.
Republic Tower, Cessna 79er E Lima Alpha is number 1 at Bravo 6 for runway 1, student solo.
Cessna 79er E Lima Alpha Tower, hold short runway 1.
Hold short runway 1, 8 Lima Alpha.
No city tour today, I'm afraid. Maybe we'll just go out to...
Mike Alpha, look for traffic. 11, 10 o'clock, 2 miles on final, Piper.
Traffic inside 7 Mike Alpha.
Mike Alpha, follow the Piper, clear touch and go.
Follow the Piper, clear touch and go 7 Mike Alpha.
Newark's not taking any traffic up the river. Alright, no problem. We'll do it another time.
That's the 88 Lima, turn left
first
at
match
Alpha,
goes
ground
in,
point 6.
1 1000, 2 1000, 3
Left on
1000.
Alpha, ground point 6, 88 Lima.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, southeastbound approval, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, runway 1 clear for takeoff.
Piper 52 Zulu, I'll call your base, extend down, please.
Extend down, you call my base, 52 Zulu.
Just 4 Alpha Romeo, reduce speed.
Reduce speed, 4 Alpha Romeo.
7 Mike Alpha, are you in the base turn?
Yes, we are. 7 Mike Alpha.
Okay, there's a Cirrus at the inner shoreline. Just tighten up the turn for final, please.
Tightening up the turn for 7 Mike Alpha, we have it on the side.
Just 4 Alpha Romeo, traffic left front, black and white Piper.
Inside 4 Alpha Romeo.
Just 4 Alpha Romeo, follow them, clear touch and go, and then northbound approved.
Clear turn to go behind the Piper, northbound approved 4 Alpha Romeo.
Winds count.
Altitude.
Yep.
Piper 52 Zulu, turn base, clear touch and go.
Clear base, clear touch and go, 52 Zulu.
Equals 14, reduce speed, clear touch and go, left traffic.
Reduce speed, clear touch and go, left traffic, Icarus 14.
So 28 Yankee, extend down, I'll call your base.
Hang down when you got the base, 82 Yankee.
Glide path. Glide path. $500.
The Piper. Booster. Mixture. Flaps 100. Lights are on. Looking good. 78 knots, beautiful.
Glide path. Glide path.
Ma'am.
Everson Mike Alpha, follow the Piper in the left crossing, please.
The Piper 7 Mike Alpha.
Just doing Yankee, turn base, clear to land.
Turn base, clear to land, runway 18 Yankee.
70, rotate.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, have a good day.
Have a good one, Lima Alpha.
Shimmy the nose there.
Wind 0503.
Beautiful morning.
$600.
Up 90. Get her up there. It is. Flaps up. Caps available. Bad heading. Alright, no city tour today. Newark Airport. Newark Tower is not taking anybody up the river.
Just swap Romeo, have a good one.
Okay, take two. Have a good one. Thanks, Borough Romeo.
So we'll let's go to Sky Acres. See what's going on over there.
Acres 12, clear touch and go.
Touch and go, Acres 12.
Just level off here. 1500 till outside the Delta.
Piper Mike Alpha, you have the Piper about a mile and a half ahead of you in the downwind.
Inside 75 Malcolm.
Piper Mike Alpha, follow them, clear touch and go.
Follow traffic, clear touch and go 7 Mike Alpha.
Altitude.
Yep. Start going on up there. Get her going up in a nice cruise climb there.
Just to Yankee back to the runway.
Yes, sir, 82 Yankee.
Bravo 5, taxi Bravo to runway 1, Cessna 2 Yankee.
Bravo 5, taxi Bravo to runway 1, 82 Yankee.
for this guy. 2407 maybe. 2407.
Delta, climb maintain 900,000.
Climb maintain 900,000, 280 Bravo Delta.
November 110, contact Providence Approach 119.45. November 61 Kilo, contact Newark Approach 120.8.
Do you want to go see it? No winds in well. No wind up here at all. Very quiet today. There it is. Captured at 3.
November 0 Bravo Delta, contact Providence Approach 119.45.
1945, 280 Bravo Delta.
See where my HBN 13 southeast ahead. Approach, good morning, Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo.
Yeah, Romeo, say again.
Good morning, it's Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo, about 12 southeast of White Plains, 3,500 for flight following, overhead Carmel, going to 44 November.
Okay, try New York Approach 120.8.
2018, thank you. Have a good morning.
New York Approach, Morning Sky, 877 Alpha Alpha, spinning 3,500.
Brickhead 4542, contact approach 127.3.
27-3, Brickhead 4542, good day.
KR 1223, contact west Tahoe 18.57.
8257, KR 1223, good day.
November 469, Romeo Bravo, contact approach 124.07.
Approach, good morning, Cirrus 74 Alpha Romeo.
Number 74 Alpha Romeo, New York, go ahead.
Good morning, Cirrus SR20, 3,500, 12 east of White Plains for flight following overhead Carmel, going to 44 November, Sky Acres.
Number 74 Alpha Romeo, squawk 0221.
0221 for Alpha Romeo.
For line 527, traffic 2 o'clock and 4, southbound 8000 ACRJ.
Looking for traffic or line 527.
Endeavor 5281, traffic 10 o'clock and 4, southwestbound, climbing 7,000, 8 citation.
We'll keep an eye out. Got on the gas, 721. Inside, 281.
Line 527, 5260, never has you in sight.
260, thank you, Reliant 527.
Newark Alpha 2, good morning, 6000.
2, Newark Road, West Chester, altimeter 3031.
3031, Alpha 2.
Endeavor 5281, ascend maintain 4000.
4000, 281.
Reliant 527, contact departure 120.4.
20.4, Reliant 527, good day.
Nobody on the road, nobody on the beach. I feel it in the air, the summer's out of reach. Empty lake, empty streets, the sun goes down alone. I'm driving by your house, I know that you're not home, but I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. You got your hair combed back and sunglasses on, baby. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer have gone.
Endeavor 5281, flight in 260, vectors descent.
260, 581.
I never will forget those nights.
Departure Ultra 356 is 1.4, climbing 3000.
Remember how you made
Also 356, Newark departure, radar contact, line maintain 7000.
Line maintain 7000, also 356.
understand what happened to our love.
Approach Scotty 404, 7.5, descending, crossing Valerie at 6 with Papa.
I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. I see you walking real slow and you're smiling at everyone. But I can tell you my love for you will still be strong.
For Rick at 4373, descend maintain 4000.
Down to 4000, pick up 4373.
All-Star 356, turn left heading 260.
Left turn heading 260, also 356.
Endeavor 5281, turn left heading 240. When able, proceed direct Jackie.
Alright, direct Jackie, we can do that there, 5281.
Approach Scotty 404, 6.8, descending, crossing Valerie
Yeah,
at 6 with Papa.
I wanted to do
Scotty
the
404, New York Road, West Chester, altimeter 3031, 8 is Papa.
I wanted to do the city tour this morning, and then I wanted to do it at
Scotty 404, descend maintain
sunrise and
4000.
sunset, but
4000, Scotty 404.
we'll have to wait it out.
356, connect departure 120.
We'll wait it out and see.
1204, All-Star 356.
Watcher, Center 519, 2200, 3000, Westchester 8.
Jet 509, New York departure, radar contact, line maintain 7000.
Line maintain 7000, Center 509.
I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun.
November 74, Alpha Romeo, contact approach 132.75.
3275 for Alpha Romeo. Good morning.
Jet 509, turn left heading 260, contact departure 120.4.
Left 260, 120.4, Jet 509.
Endeavor 5281, contact approach 127.3.
273, 5281, have a good one.
Stand.
You got your hair slicked back and your wayfarers on, baby. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer.
Approach, good morning, Sirius 74 Alpha Romeo 3500.
74 Alpha Romeo, near approach, the ticket altimeter 3033.
33 for Alpha Romeo.